Christmas tree. They're like, I only need half of this.
Super weird, yeah. Like, it's not even easy to do.
No.
Like, there are trees that I would like to adjust in my property and I can't get up there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, like clearly a ladder or, I mean,
Yeah.
you moving a bucket truck in there in the middle of the night?
Do you feel irrationally bad for Christmas trees that aren't picked by Christmas
do.
time? Yeah. I was driving by a VFW one today and I was like, I hope they get picked.
Aww.
There's still time.
They will.
There's still time, but this weekend, after that, I don't like their chances. 42 right now in Portland, 40 in Wiscasset, 37 in Bangor. And actually a lot of us seeing sunshine initially, but there is a cloud band into the mid-coast and then back into Oxford County. That's associated with our Arctic cold front, and we've got some snow showers and really snow squalls along that. Look at some of those deeper intensities of blue there, and that's a pretty good little snow squall. We'll zoom in on it. It was going through Bethel and Newry. I was checking the cameras there, now moving into Paris and eventually into Turner here. So this could put down a quick coating of snow. It's certainly cold enough and the snow's coming down hard enough as it moves through. The main thing that's going to do, though, that this Arctic cold front is cool us down for tonight and tomorrow. So this will be the coldest night of this stretch with temperatures into the teens all the way to the coastline, mid-teens inland, and then single digits in Rangeley, Berlin, and probably about 8 or 9 in Caribou as well. Relatively short-lived. Tomorrow will be chilly in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. The mountains stay into the teens through tomorrow afternoon, and we do that with almost full sunshine. So it's one of those really kind of deceptive days where maybe it looks a little bit nicer outside than it is, especially in the mountains. But then we moderate temperatures overnight on Thursday, and actually I'm starting to feel like Friday is pretty mild. Initially I was thinking mid-40s, but we might be able to pop to 50 here briefly on Friday afternoon over southern and western Maine especially. So we'll really recover those temperatures quickly, and then we'll be more comfortable through the weekend, between 40 and 45 throughout the weekend, so not overly cold, about average for this time of the year, and a mixture of sun and clouds. Nothing really going on initially through the weekend. It looks quiet, again 40 to 45. Next storm system to watch comes in on Monday. So here we are Sunday afternoon. We've got a ridge of high pressure offshore. We've got this big storm developing down to the south. Ton of rain down in Florida right now and eventually into the Carolinas. The question is, what does this look like exactly for us on Monday? Right now, it just looks like a rain event where we've got a cold front trying to push this thing out to sea, but unable to do so. Quite a bit of strong southeast flow, which means it would be largely rain with a little back-end snow, but we might have a rainy Monday, probably rainier than our last Monday, just based on the timing of this. And this is just one model's projection here for rainfall amounts, but you can see all the way up the eastern seaboard here, 2 to maybe 3 inches of rain. I have to check the flash flood guidance because we just had a pretty big rainstorm there to see how much of this we can absorb. We might have some minor flooding issues week apart from each other. That's really it. So it is cold tonight, cold tomorrow. Nice day on Friday. I'll take the over on 42. I think we'll see some upper 40s and low 50s. Looks good on Saturday. Looks all right on Sunday too. And then another storm. We did put a snow flurry in there. I don't think there's a ton of that going on. Maybe the mountains end as snow, but I think it'll be another net loser for them, clearing and breezy on Tuesday. So areas away from the mountains and foothills that have snow, Amanda, I was running the models, long-range models out to Christmas, and I didn't see anything. I mean, it doesn't mean it can't happen, but I didn't see anything in there.
All right, Keith.